Watch this video to see how Facebook and Instagram ad work. Facebook or Instagram ad is a post. You pay a certain amount of money to show this post to more and more people on Facebook and Instagram. There are many interests, demographic, people living in different locations on Facebook and Instagram. Examples are people who like to eat in restaurants, people who like football, Netflix, people who like certain celebrities, people who like different cosmetics brands, etc. There are also people who are in university, who are married, who are single, and much more. These are some of the interest behavior in Facebook and Instagram. Now you take your post and tell Facebook who will see your post. For example, you can show your post or ad to people who like football in Texas. The age could be between 24 and 44. They can be male or female, and they should like Tom Brady. Now Facebook will show your post or ad to those people who you targeted on Facebook or Instagram, and those people will most likely take the action you want them to take. That's it. This is how Facebook and Instagram ad works. Subscribe to this channel to see more videos on Facebook and Instagram ads.